Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send messages on WhatsApp desktop using your Windows computer. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your PC. Once WhatsApp is open, you'll see your conversations listed on the left side of the screen. To send a message, first select the contact or conversation you want to message. Now look at the bottom of the chat window. You'll see the message box where you can type your text. Click inside the message box and type your message. For this example, I'll type a simple message and then press enter on the keyboard. As you can see, the message has been sent and now appears inside the conversation. You can continue sending messages by typing in the same message box and pressing enter after each message. WhatsApp desktop also lets you add emojis to your messages. To do this, click the emoji icon next to the message box and select the emoji you want to use. You can also switch between different conversations from the chat list on the left side. Simply click another chat, type your message, and press enter to send it. If you make a mistake while typing, you can edit or delete a message using the options available when you select the message. Sending messages from WhatsApp desktop is useful because you can type quickly using your computer keyboard instead of typing everything on your phone. You can also keep WhatsApp open while working on other tasks and easily respond to incoming messages. So the basic process is very simple. Open a chat, click the message box, type your message, and press enter to send it. And that's how you can send messages on WhatsApp desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.